Pottinger's class?
Morning.
7.1, read and write expressions and equations. Can you read and write expressions and equations?
Yeah.
All right, expressions. Expressions. A combination of numbers or variables, or numbers and variables, that have one or more operations. What are operations again? And an expression does not have what, you guys?
Equal sign.
It does not have an equal sign, okay? So an equation is the same thing. It's a combination of numbers and or variables that contain one or more operations, but it actually has an
Equal sign.
Equations always have to be what?
Balance.
That means the left side has to be the same as the right side, right?
Yeah.
The left side has to be the same as the right side. Okay, a variable, a letter that represents a
Number.
sum would be the answer to what kind of problem?
Addition.
Difference, answer to a
Subtraction problem.
together. Now I have to stop and tell you, together. Product, answer to a
Multiplication problem.
quotient, answer to a
Division problem.
integer would be a whole number and its opposite. So what is the opposite integer for that number I just wrote?
Negative 7.
All right, here we go. Reading and writing integers, expressions, and equations. So here's an integer. We said 6 feet below the surface is actually -6, right?
Yeah.
We knew 6 was going to be our integer, right?
Yeah.
The thing that told us it was a -6 would be that keyword below, yes or no?
Yes.
This word above tells us it's going to be positive. This word elevation, which means going up, it tells us it's going to be a positive, right?
Yes.
So keywords are super duper important here when writing our integers, yes?
Yes.
Expressions. So now expressions, we're writing number sentences without equal signs. So 6 more than x. 6 more than x, here we have a keyword. More is going to mean in this situation what operation? Say again? Adding. So 6 more than 6, or 6 more than x. We have x, and we're adding 6 more to it, right?
Yes.
Franny, I need your eyes up here. 14 taken from y. So my variable y has to be losing how many integers?
14.
14. We cool with all this?
Yes.
All right. What's that? Read that, please. Read that.
M times 19.
Read that.
19 times M.
Read that.
19 times M.
So that actually means 19 times m too, right?
Yes.
Read this.
19 times M.
So when we have a number in front of a variable, it means multiply, yes?
Yes.
When we have a number separated from a variable by parentheses, it also means to do what?
Multiply.
Last thing, not last thing, but close to the last thing. Equations always have what?
Equal sign.
Equal signs. It's super duper important that we read the keywords like we have been saying this whole video, yes?
Yes.
Next thing, what does this word mean here? What does that word mean?
Equal.
So anytime you see is in a math sentence, you're probably talking about something that means
Equal.
equal. And then the last thing, are there many, many different ways to say this problem in words?
Yes.
How about this problem?
Yes.
So there's lots of different ways to say a mathematical expression or a mathematical equation using words, right? We need to understand the vocab involved with mathematics. Yes?
Yes.
We good?